This is Ben Brixton. You know, George just spat on the floor. This is Ben Brixton doing the assault course in the rain. There's the two of us. We can make it if we try. Just the two of us. He's no normal guy. Just the two of us.
Carry on, Ben.
Carry on. Carry on. Stupid retard. Ben, Joe don't know what in front of him. Look at him. He's actually doing it. Even though he's touched the floor about 20 odd times. Sorry, I just have to wipe the camera because it's raining. Oh, he's fallen off again. He's on to the next obstacle, the children's course. Step back a bit. Oh, and then the competition has come after him. He's stuck. Come on, Ben. Push. Push, Ben. There's 10% battery remaining. Come on, you can make it. He's done it. He's on to the next challenge. Where is the next challenge? The next challenge is this. And he's tried a small child's dream. He's released the paddle. He's released the other paddle. He doesn't know what it does. He's off again. Oh, he's onto the donkey. He's roared the donkey. He's onto the. He's spanned around. He's now onto the final obstacle in our challenge. The slide. Come in, dive. You have to sit down before we finish. Come on, Ben, the clock's ticking. And he's home.